Hello guys. Welcome to the Agriculture Techniques YouTube channel. We hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about high pressure washer and just do an experiment as agri sprayer. So let's get right into the video. The Universal Aquatak 125. The Bosch high-pressure washer might look like a sprayer machine. This is Universal Aquatak 125, which provides fast, flexible, and effortless cleaning. Now we're doing a small experiment. Here we're using the pressure washer machine as a pressure sprayer. Let's check how it will work. Special features in this machine. Enjoy fast, flexible, and effortless cleaning on a wide variety of jobs. Trio nozzle with fan, rotary, and pencil jet settings for versatile cleaning. 450 ml high pressure detergent nozzle saves time by applying soap quickly. Extendable handles and larger wheels offer greater mobility and easier storage. Push-fit connections and in-use gun storage for ultimate convenience. In home and garden category also the machine is useful. But when we consider a sprayer machine in agriculture, this might consume more pesticide than your conventional method. Because this machine sprays in high pressure. In the agricultural fields, this washer machine is useful to wash agricultural equipments and machines. Cleaning or servicing improves the tractor's working condition and lifetime. So, we can conclude that this machine is used for only as pressure washer for vehicles and machines. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.